In the diagram, OABCD is a pyramid with vertex D. The horizontal base OABC is a square of side 4 units. The edge OD is vertical and OD equals 4 units. The unit vector IJK are parallel to OC, OD, OA, OC, and OD respectively. The midpoint of AB is N. The point N on CD is such that Dn equals 3NC. Find a vector equation for the line through M and N. So first of all, I'll need the position vectors of M and N. Let's try finding that. So M is the midpoint of A and B. So let me just first write OA, OC, and OD as position vectors. We're told that this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4. So OA is just 4 in I direction and 0 in J direction and 0 in K direction. OC is 0, 1, 0, and OD is 0, 0, 4. I'm sorry, that's a 4 and not a 1. Okay, so OM is in the middle of AB, so there's a formula for that. Half of OA plus OB. All right, so we'll need OB as well. So OB is, to go from O to B, I am going in 4I direction and then 4J direction. So that's 4I plus 4J. So that is just going to be 4, 4, and 0. Okay, so half 400 plus 440. So that's half 840. So that's a 4, that's a 2, that's a 0. That is going to be OM. Let me just check the answer for OM before proceeding. 4, 2, and 0. That's correct. All right. Next, I need the position vector of N. So I need ON. So how would we get ON now? We're told that N is on the line CD such that DN is equals to 3 times NC. All right, so N is on the line CD. So that means this also implies that the vector Dn is equals to 3 times the vector NC. That would be ON minus OB equals 3 times OC minus ON. So if we make ON the subject here, we would be getting 4ON equals to 3OC plus OD. So that would be 1 over 4 of 3OC. What's going to be 3OC? 3 times this, so 0, 12, 0. And OD is 0, 0, 4. So plus 0, plus 0, plus 4. That makes ON equals 0, 3, and 1. All right. Now I need the vector line passing through OM and ON, or M and N. So that's now pretty straightforward. We'll do R equals, I'm choosing the coordinate of M first. So 4, 2, 0 plus lambda. Now I have to do N minus M. So 0 minus 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 0, 1. So this would be the vector line passing through Mn, and now we will write it in IJK form. Which would be 4i plus 2j plus lambda minus 4i plus j plus k. This is the vector equation of the line passing through Mn. Okay. Part B says, show that the length of perpendicular from O to Mn is equals to this. Okay. So let me draw Mn, the line Mn, and let me draw O. So O is 0, 0, 0. And we know Mn is, the equation of Mn is 420 plus lambda minus 411. And we need the length of perpendicular from O to the line Mn, and we have to show that we get 1 by 3 under root 82. All right. First thing we'll do is name this foot of perpendicular. Let's call it X. So now we need the vector OX. Since X lies on the vector line, so it will be same as this equation, 4 minus 4 lambda, 2 plus lambda, and lambda. That is OX. Okay. Next, the dot product between OX and this distance should be equals to 0. This distance. Sorry, not the distance, the direction, my bad. So the dot product of OX and the direction vector would be equals to 0, because the direction vector is a vector that is parallel to the line, and we can see that the direction vector and the line OX are also perpendicular, because this is the perpendicular distance that makes this perpendicular as well. So the dot product between these two must be equals to 0. Dot minus 411 equals to 0. So dot product of these two would be equals to 0. So let's multiply them together. Minus 16 plus 16 lambda plus 2 plus lambda is equals to 0. We're getting 18 lambda equals to 14. So lambda equals 7 by 9. Now what we'll do is we need the length OX. So we already have the vector OX in terms of lambda. We will substitute the value of lambda here and then find its magnitude. So when you substitute lambda equals 7 by 9, 4 minus 4 times 7 by 9 will become 8 by 9. Then 2 plus lambda will become 25 by 9. And lambda will just be 7 by 9. This is OX, and we need its magnitude. So OX equals square root of 8 by 9 squared plus 25 by 9 squared plus 7 by 9 squared. So OX would be just ignore the square root first and square all these values and sum them. You will get 82 over 9. and then that simplified would be square root of 82 over 3 and hence shown.